body. I want to model this assembly. Model this assembly in Autodesk. We have some specification, size, dimension, how to assemble these parts and standards. Also, we have material here in this table. This assembly is a part of a bigger assembly. It's a two-way chute that we use in material handling inside of a chute. It's used for conveyor system, belt conveyor system. It is inside of this chute, two-way chute. In near future, I want to model all of this assembly, but for now, I want to do just model just this part. Okay, let's this model consists of 22 parts. I want to start from shaft assembly. Okay. Shaft assembly, in the middle part, it's a square profile, and then we have a circle profile. Bearing assembly in both sides, but in this assembly we can't see bearing assembly. If you look this assembly, you can see the bearings, housing bearings, and support. Okay, let's open Autodesk Inventor. A new project. For creating project, go to setting in this part. You can choose different. I want to create a new one. I want to create project, and project name I want to be two-way. Let's see what is the name of this and use that. Yes, I want to name it chute two-way chute blade. That's all right. Single two-way chute. And the tag is 123 DG01. one. One. And I want to save it in the folder, multimedia, YouTube, live. Okay, that's okay. Okay. I want to choose edit template. I want to my template just bring metric. So I choose metric here and click on OK. I don't want any other changes. I can add material library if I wanted. For example, the arbitrary library. Okay, that's it. Yes. Now you can see I am working on this project. Okay, let's make a new assembly. Okay, I want to save this assembly. Assemblies folder. I want to choose blade for this special assembly. Now I want to create a new part. I want to call this shaft. What is the name of the position of shaft in this drawing is position 7. So let's see what is the name of shaft. sq.shaft. sq.shaft template. We can choose template here. I want to choose standard. I want to save this IPT file or part file in parts folder. Okay, save. Okay, and in the center point, then I start modeling. Modeling. Okay. File this document on my smartphone, so I could design it better and look over it. Okay. We have a square. profile here. This is my square. Okay, 2D sketch. I can choose from here, XY plane or here. No difference. Rectangle, 140, 140. Okay, I have I have a fillet with 5 mm radius. That's all right. Okay, I want to extrude this profile to be the same. 1184. Okay, I want to make another profile here. I click create a sketch, circular from middle point. $120. Okay, 200, 120. Also another one. 110. Okay, extrude 167. The other end. We create sketch here 120. Click finish. Click extrude, and 208. Okay, another sketch. Click here, create sketch. 110. Okay, 503. Okay, another one. Another circle. 80. Okay, extrude 130. Okay, this is the shaft. You can see we have other things here. For example, we have some holes and chamfers and fillets. So we want to apply them a keyway. We can create a keyway in assembly. No problem. Also other bolts. Let's create these holes. On this side, I click hole here and I choose Dean. It's been this standard choose. I choose this standard, for example. Okay, normal, and I put 50 here, and okay. You can see the depth of the hole by click half section view and move it like that. This is my hole, but I want to change the point. I click sketch and go to sketch view. Okay, I want to Z axis to be visible. I can right click on it. Okay, I want to put this one. I want to project Z axis. Okay, then I want to put this on Z axis. I can, yes, it's on Z axis. And the distance is 92 from this point. 92. No, the point is black. That's okay. Okay. I can choose pattern for repeat hole. Distance between them is 100. And the direction is this way, 10. Eleven holes. Okay, this hole is create curve like this. Now I want to choose fillet here, here. Also here. Okay, I have fillet here with reduced trim. Okay, and 2 millimeter in both ends. So I have 2 holes in these ends. 2 hole and and it's 20. That's all right. Okay, I can fix these holes. Let me project this axis. I can right click on it and make it construction. I put these 2 holes, these 2 points on this axis. Let's mirror these two. Okay. Now I move one of them. I used mirror symmetry constraint, and by moving one of them, I can move both of them. The distance between these 2 points, the center of 2 holes, is, let me check, 35. 35. That's okay. Now you can see it is done. Let me check here, chat. Okay. This part is done. Where is position 1? Okay. Let's create this plate. Okay. I want to create this plate. I have two of this plate in both sides. Let's create it. Return and go to assembly. Then I can choose create standard, and part name is plate. Pause. See, one, and save. Okay, click to the sketch. I choose. Why is it plain? Okay, I can mirror this to line. My mirror line is Z. No, Y. Make construction line. Okay, let's mirror this to line again. Apply. Okay, you can see if I move this. Okay, I can use trim. Mirror these 2 points. Also these 2 points. Okay, dimension. Use dimension to 81. Okay, and this 81. Okay, 96. 333. Okay, 567. Let's check what it's not fixed. Let's use cleaner constraint and put this one on z-axis. Okay. Also, we have the distance from here and this one, 25, and this one to this one, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you can check it from here. You have these and these, and we have a circle here. Let's make that circle. The radius of this circle, I choose radius and 1230. Okay, I choose coincident constraint and choose this point and circle. Control Z. Let's move it here and do it again. That's okay. I want to trim these. No, this is like this plane. I want to determine this whole point in one side, in right side, and then mirror them in the other. I can use line construction, connect these 4 points together, or I can use rectangle tool. Okay, this is equal a constraint. I equal these two and these two. Also, these two are perpendicular. Dimension here, I use a line and 120, and in this direction 110. Okay, I want to parallel this line with this, and also distance between this point and this is 183. 183, and the distance between this line and this line is 110. Now you can see that all these points are black. I have 3 points. I connect them with construction line, and these two lines are okay. I use parallel constraint to this, and the dimension is aligned, no, aligned 81. Also this one aligned 81. Remove it. I have another hole here, another point here. Distance between these two is 75, and this two is 35. Okay, distance between I have to make a line and make it parallel to this one. Then no, I want this line to be parallel with this one. I can dimension this easily, and it's 68. Okay, I put a line, construction line here. This line is parallel with this one, and they are in the same line. Okay, that's all right. I want to put some point on this line. Let's dimension them. Line 130, line 110. 10, again 130, again 110, 130, and 110. Also, I have another point here, and distance is different here, 106. Okay, I have some construction line from all these points. I want to parallel all of them with this line. Okay, let me check the questions. I have 2 points on this line. The distance is 287, and also line 287. Okay. Also, I have I have 300. Now I want to make these two parallel, and also these two, and 10 dimension 300 and 300. Okay. I have 2 points on this line. Distance is 3 to 8 and 3 to 8. And on this I have 2 points on this line. Also 1 point on this one. Distance is 260 260, and this distance is line. No, this is wrong. I have to choose line. Then I can choose this. The distance here is 268. Okay. We have another point here. Distance between this line, this point and this line is 90. And also I make these two lines parallel to be able to dimension. The distance between these is 112. Okay. In this part, I have another line, another point. The point is on this line. Distance between these two are 152, and I have another point here. It is on this line. And let these two lines be parallel. And distance between this line and this point is 79. Also, I have 3 points here in this space. I connect them. I connect them, these 3 points, to each other. Oh, no. Okay. These two lines is parallel. and distance between them is 62. Also, I have another point here. Distance between this point and this line is 42. I want to parallel these two lines and then specify the distance between them, 85. Okay, this line is parallel to this. Then space between these are 257. Okay, this one and this one, 151. This line and this is 40. This one and this one is 170. And what else? This is wrong. These two should be parallel. Parallel. This one is parallel to this one. This one is parallel to 100, 257. This two is That's alright. All of them are fixed. I want to make holes for all these points. Oh no. This plate is 12 thickness. Okay. And I want to choose holes. I want to shape this sketch here. I have here this, and I want to make holes using this sketch. I have those 33 points, and it's through all. Also, so the hole is 20. Okay, this is okay. I want these holes to mirror this. So I choose mirror holes. The mirror plane is XY. Okay, this is alright. Let me check. Okay, it's not done we have because we have fillet here. The fillet radius is 25. Okay, is there another fillet? No, we don't have. Save. Okay. I want to play this part again here. This is not visible. I want to this to be in the same height and this one. Okay, I keep on doing this video tomorrow night. Okay.